I just wanted to ask, when does personalization cross the line from being helpful to creepy?
Uh, Personalization, I think, is really good when it's giving me relevant information, things that I care about and value that makes me do things really fast. It becomes creepy when it knows too much, too many things about me, information that I don't share openly. When it starts doing that and gives me information that I know I didn't share, then it becomes too much.
Yeah, it's like when you search something up and then you start seeing ads about it when you're like, when did this come about?
I think Jess makes a great point about how creepy it can often feel nowadays to just exist on the internet with the amount of personalization and targeted ads that come our way. You can't go a day without seeing something that you may have thought about, but never typed into a search bar, but somehow that's being pushed towards you. That is actually just the power of how AI-powered personalization tools are working these days. It's not even what you know, it's the people that know you.
In sharing our preferences with companies, that gives us information and content experiences that are relevant, just what he spoke about briefly there. But then also you're looking to have that information being treated in a trusted way. So you have to provide consent, informed consent around how that information is going to be used. And I think a lot of times there isn't an equal focus on both of those sides of the fence.
So when it comes to brands, do you care about what they do with your data? Do you care about data security in that case?
Yeah, 100%. I think when you're interacting with brands, especially nowadays when there's so much information and so much data security breaches, you definitely care about brands that take that really seriously.
And data security is more important than ever. And the last thing you want to do is be staying with a company that doesn't seem to take that seriously, or you don't want to sign up to a company that just experienced a massive breach of customer data because, hey, you could be next.
When you breach that trust, when your customer data leaks, it effectively destroys the trust that your customer base has with you, and that's extremely difficult to regain.
Ready to dive deeper? Grab our personalization playbook via the QR code or link below. See the data, drive the difference. This is SAP Spotlight on customer experience.